Hi everybody! Today we're going to be talking about dry brushing with a fan brush.
So this piece has already been painted with a primer and then 2 coats of a white chalk paint, and pretty much we're replacing the technique of painting the black underneath and sanding through to it by simply using a fan brush and running it along the edge with our black paint. Okay, as we get started, you're going to want your Mr. water bottle and a clean cloth. These are just mechanic towels. Just in case you get a little heavy on a spot, you can mist this and use your point of your finger to go back and kind of clean up the spot that you don't like. So I'm just going to take the lid of my black chalk paint, dip this in here, and then I'm going to be removing the excess by wiping my dry brush onto a dry cloth. And then I'm just going to take my fan brush and run it along the edge. If I come up at it from the bottom, I'm going to get a bit of a cleaner line. You can see that it's almost like putting on eyeliner. If I come at it from the top to the bottom, it's going to give me a bit of a fatter display of paint. So this is going to give me a different character. I don't like this large smudge. So I'm just going to mist my paper cloth, and I'm going to come back in with my finger and just remove that smudge, and then take a dry section and come back through it to just kind of clean that up. And I'll do the remaining edges.